Now we're in the salon of the Lagoon 450, so we just completed the installation of the ACs and also a Kohler Marine generator, a 9 kW on this vessel. So here I'm just going to go through the startup procedure. So here we have the distribution panel, the AC distribution panel for the AC units. Here we have down here the transfer panel. But here I have no power to the generator, so I have to flip the battery switch back on. So down here we have the generator. So I just gotta come here, flip the battery switch on. Right back there we have the Raycor filter. Battery there, muffler. So coming back here, that our power. So now the generator is running. I'm gonna go here, turn off the power on the vessel. Then on my transfer switch, I'll turn the short off. Turn on the generator. Main's gonna come back on. And we're gonna turn on the AC units. Right now I'm in the port side aft cabin. Here we have a 4,200 BTU. I have one discharge vent here in the cabin. The control here against the wall, and then per the customer request we have another vent here in the bathroom. Then here's under the floor just below the stairs. I have a strainer and the pump supplying both units here on the port side of the vessel. Strainer is just a very simple bronze strainer. You just loosen the top, take out the basket, put the basket back in. The ball valve is right here, so everything is very accessible for easy cleaning. Now for the forward bow, the unit is directly behind that vent over there. I just don't have very good access. This boat's ready to get out of here. But we do have the discharge vent right below the fan there. And then this one also has the vent in the bathroom. Now I'm on the bow on the starboard side. So the unit is in the same location, just opposite, the mirror image on the port side. So we have the electrical box over here. There's the unit. My splitter split off into the bathroom as well. So in this vessel, the units are also blowing in the bathrooms. Then going over here, up against the wall here, I have my display. Discharge vent. The same supply that we saw on the other side right over here. And then in the forward over here under the floor, this right here is the strainer and the pump for the salon unit, 17,000 BTU. On the other side here I have the strainer intake, and this is for the generator. Here, directly under the stairs on the starboard side, we have a little condensate pump, sump pump for the starboard side, so I have the aft unit, the forward unit, and also the unit in the salon that's straining over here. And over here, just forward of where I have the sump pump, I have my ball valve, I have my strainer, and here we have the pump supplying the other two units on this side, so the forward and aft unit, the 4,200 BTUs. And over here in the forward seating in the salon, we have a 17,000 BTUs. Discharging right up here. I would like to note all the units in here are Mabru Marine MPS self-contained units. They do carry a 2-year warranty on all components and a lifetime warranty on the compressor. Over here, going back to the port side of the vessel, I have another condensation pump down here, and so this one is for 2 units, which is the aft unit and the bow unit, the forward unit. Also on this vessel, we added another shore power connection, so another 30 amp shore power plug. So this plug here is going to be for the AC system, and then this one here is for the house. And if you get to a marina where there's only one 30 amp shore power connection, you'll see on the transfer panel we put in, they do have a transfer switch. I'll go in a little bit more detail with that. I'll go back in the cabinet and show you that now. Right now, looking at this transfer switch, the generator's on, and I have the transfer on. Now let's say I'm in a situation where there's only one 30 amp shore power connection. I would connect shore power 1, I'd turn the breaker on, I would turn on this transfer, and then I would be sharing the power with shore power 1 and this transfer over here. So I would be sharing 30 amps between these two. I'd obviously have to load manage. I can't run everything at once, but I would have 30 amps to share throughout the vessel. I also want to discuss a little bit the Kohler remote display. We always recommend when we install the generators to go with the digital gauge. Here you have a little bit more information. Right now it's telling us it's giving us the hours of the generator, so it has 1 hour on it right now. Here's some of the RPMs, some of the battery voltage. Now I'm getting oil pressure and coolant temperature, and here I'm getting voltage and frequency out of the generator. To turn it off, it's going to say send stop. Hit either one of the buttons, it'll turn off. And then this level here, as discussed in the last video, is just to adjust the brightness of the backlighting. Now to talk about the AC display. So it is a touchscreen control. Here you're going to see it's calling for blower, so the blower's running. Here the compressor's running, so little compressor's on over there. Raise temperature, set temperature, see it in the corner over there. Lower set temperature. Here we can go through different fan speeds, so I can slow the fan speed down. I have 5 individual speeds, and then auto. Then we have mode. You see the little snowflake up there, we're calling for cool. Now it's just a fan, so I'm just running the fan right now. And then now it's a sun, so I'm calling for heat. And then this little symbol comes up saying that it's activating the reversing valve. Come here, you can turn it off, turn it back on from here, back to cool mode because we don't need heat here in Florida right now. And the units do come with VMAR compatible bezels, so it comes with this chrome bezel here from the factory, but you can take this off, you can put any color you'd like, as long as any VMAR idea bezel. the shutdown. I'm going to turn off the transfer. I'm going to turn off the generator. So now all the power's off. Go to the generator, send the signal to stop. Turn on the shore power. And here at this house, since we don't have a second shore power, turn on the transfer. And so now both sides are getting power. And then this is over in the starboard aft. This is the last unit like you saw on the other side. One that over there. With the other vent over here in the cabin, in the bathroom.